Top 6. Best stick vacuums. If you're looking for the best stick vacuums, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best overall stick vacuum. Black + Decker Power Series Extreme.
Short on time? You got this. The cordless Black & Decker Power Series Extreme holds up to its name. Its triple cleaning system tackles dirt, dust, and debris across tile, hardwood, and carpet. With extreme hair pickup from an anti-tangle brush bar. 3 cleaning features, 1 extreme performance. The Black & Decker Power Series Extreme with triple cleaning system.
Number 2. A great affordable cordless stick vacuum. Silicon Pet. Number 3. Best budget cordless stick vacuum. Wyze Cordless Vacuum.
You want to know what the greatest sound in the world is? They say it's... But it's not. It's this. A Wyze vacuum. A Wyze cordless vacuum with a brushless digital motor. 150 air watts of raw suction power, 4 attachments, an LED display, 6 brush headlights, an easy-to-empty and washable dustbin, a removable battery that provides up to 50 minutes of cleaning time. The most amazing vacuum ever made. Beautifully crafted for the sole purpose of gracing your ears with this. That is the greatest sound in the world. You're cute too, though.
Number 4. Best lightweight stick vacuum. Tineco Pure 1X. Number 5. Best stick vacuum for reaching under furniture. Orfeld Stick Vacuum.
Hi, today I have for you the cordless vacuum. It comes with all that you see here. I laid it all out. I connected the stand together, and that's where you connect the cord to charge it. So you put it here on the side and then connect it to any outlet that you need it in. So whenever you're done using it, you just set it into the stand and it'll charge for you as you click it in right here. And here is the wand part. Here's a button up here that helps to push it up. It folds it down like this, or you can adjust it this way to get under furniture, which is always a plus because it gets really dusty under there. Or like I said, it can collapse to make it save space. And here's the actual machine itself. I like the handheld part because some things you just need to suck up, and you don't want a big handheld vacuum. You have the small, like a dust buster thing. The on button is here, and here is the detach part of it, so you can empty out the reservoir where the dirt and stuff collects. And you can take out the filter and you can wash it. Just make sure it's dried completely before you put it back in. And it did come with an extra filter for you. And also this little brush for like curtains or something, you know, like get dusty, or mini blinds. And then here's the small handheld one. And of course, here's the bottom part where the brush is. You can take this and flip that up and get all the hair or whatever gets stuck in there from pets or just women losing their hair. And you can, whoops, let me put this filter back in. And you detach it back on. And here is the battery indicator on whether it's getting low or not. And it's not very loud. Here, I'll show. Very powerful. You feel the air. And so those little dust balls that get stuck in the corner that a vacuum can't quite reach, you can attach this part right here. And what's nice is on the back of the stand, that's where these little things can be clicked into place. So then you don't have the extra pieces all over the house. They're right there. So here I will attach this part. Oh, this part goes on here. But I did some crumbs on the table so I can show you how it works. And it did come with a manual as well to show you all the things that you need to know about it. So here I have some cracker crumbs. I thought it'd be easier to do it on the table than try to adjust it on the floor. So there's all these crackers and stuff, because you know, this works on hardwood, on tile, on laminate, you know, short carpet, to pick up all the debris. I have 3 boys, so you know this house gets pretty dirty with them eating and running in and stuff. So here I'll show you how easy it is to suck up these cracker crumbs. There, and they're all in here. And all you have to do, and the thing flaps shut so the stuff doesn't come back out, because you know sometimes when you adjust the vacuum and stuff comes out again, which you don't want. So let me attach it to this, and then attach it to the base. It's easy to assemble, it's lightweight, and it's self-standing, so then if you need to stop and do something, it doesn't fall over on you, which I've had a few vacuums that do that as well. And up here at the top, you have a adjust to make it go faster, or you can turn the brush on and off, which is good. Let's see. There we go. And I turn the brush off. So I'd say this is pretty easy, and like I said, very lightweight. And here's the button on the side if you want to detach the handheld part. So I think this is a nice little vacuum. So if you want to go try one yourself, go pick one up, and I hope this video was helpful for you. So thank you.
Number 6. Best stick vacuum for pet hair. Shark OneVac System. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.